Namaste bachcho. Today we are going to start our topic visualizing the nation. When we are talking about the word nationalism, feeling of nationalism no doubt arose by the educated people. The concept of liberty, thoughts, how do we visualize a nation? To look at the nation in a glance, the people use in a female form. This is the best example you can get in India. We consider our India nation as Bharat Mata. So there is our motherland. So we are having a picture of a mother as soon as we think or talk of the concept motherland. Similarly, many of the countries used female allegories. They used female allegories to represent their ideas of liberty, justice, feeling of republic, feeling of idealism, feeling of nationalism with the help of female allegories. So few examples of female allegories can be depicted with a picture. That the first painting of female, that is Frederick Saloom. As you can see, the Statue of Liberty, which was painted or depicted by the Frederick Saloom's painting, which shows the female, the lady allegory which has been used is holding torch in the one hand at the top, and at the bottom on the other hand you can see a sheet of charter towards the men, the rights which are granted to the men. It's very clear from the view. You can see torch represents something which takes you to the light or the lighting portion. Like this lady is leading to you towards the lightning portion from the darkness. आपको अंधेरे से रोशनी और उजाले की ओर ये लेके जा रही है. On the other hand, you can see the Charter of Men, which provides man with equal rights. These are the rights which have been granted to a man in spite of being whatever your level of social division is. Still you have these equal rights which has to be followed by every person. Coming to our second picture is Christian marrying. This is the female allegory of France. Same concept, you can see the picture. It also depicts us the liberty, justice, equality, which we assume to visualize our France. This female allegory, Christian marriage, depicts how a nation is going towards on the path of equality and justice. Not but the least, coming to the third picture, that is Germania, a German female allegory, which also represents how the equality has been followed by the people of German nation with the justice and equality concept. It also shows the path of heroism, the path of their fights or revolution to get this nation as an independent nation.